fellow collectors. Today we'll be talking about DC Universe Classics Connect to Build, or Collect to Connect. I hate the way that says. Collect to Connect Ultra Humanite. Now this guy is one of the villains. First started out as Superman, so it's an interesting fact that he actually is not the Flash's bad guy, but actually Superman started out fighting him. As you can see, he is more gorilla-like in appearance. He has this big dome for a brain. He is more like a Yeti than a actual gorilla, but he does look more like a gorilla. If I bring in the other Collect to Connect figure, Gorilla Grodd, we can see that the toes are similar. There is a little bit difference in paint only as far as the feet goes. The hands are the same. The arms are the same. So what's really different from this guy? So really the difference from him and Gorilla Grodd is the main torso here and the legs. So they are definitely different molds on that, but the arms and, like I say, the feet are the Gorilla Grodd portion. So if we go ahead and do a weight or height check on this guy, we'll see that he also tops in about 8 inches, just a little over 8. And you can't see that because I did not back it up far enough. There we go. So you can see that he is just coming at 8 inches tall. If I bring in the scale, we see that this guy comes in at 11.4 ounces. So just a little bit heavier than Gorilla Grodd. All right. So we'll bring in a couple of things to compare to. We see here he is with Duke, and he definitely is taller. We bring in Deadpool, and we'll bring in Gorilla Grodd from Injustice, and you'll see that he does fit in with Gorilla Grodd, and so he could fit in with the rest of the multiverse line, which is nice. And there he goes. So articulation wise, he can look up, but he does come right back down because he does have this little ridge right here that will bring him down, but he can look down, right, left. His arms come out just like Gorilla Grodd's, not all the way up full pose, but he does have this nice bicep swivel and one bend on the elbow. His wrist rotation around, and he does have a nice ab crunch. As for turning, I don't believe he does seem to have one, but it his skirt actually prevents it. As far as his legs goes, they are on ball joints, so I can get this much out of a split for him and this much of a walk. He does have a single bend for the knee, and his ankle can rotate around, and it does have up and down motion. No side to side. But this figure is a great addition to the shelves. Like I said, since he did start out as Superman's enemy, I definitely will probably be including him on the Superman shelf. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, and keep collecting.